Well, hey there, I'm Shirish, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to dive into the exciting world of creating vision boards that actually work. I always tell my students to have a vision board as it is so very important. Did you know that vision boards have the superpower to turn your dreams to reality? Yes, it's not magic, but it sure feels like it. In fact, this is my very first vision board some 5 to 6 years back. And a lot of things have come true, like TED Talk, and a lot of things in terms of traveling, in terms of my health. I think the biggest transformation was in terms of my health as well. Well, vision boards are like visual roadmaps that help you see your goals and dreams more clearly. They tap into the power of your subconscious mind, making you more focused and motivated. They're like a sneak peek into your future, and they're being used by some seriously successful people. Now, speaking of success, ever heard of Oprah? Well, Oprah Winfrey is one of the most successful people in the world, and she used vision board. In fact, Jim Carrey wrote a $10 million check to his name, and he actually cashed it. Yes, and if you watch these videos, I think you will be able to understand the power of vision boards. But before you start, cashing in your check in your imagination, let's get started on creating a vision board that will help you reach to the stars. Alright, now that we are all pumped up about creating our own vision boards, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of preparation. This is where we lay the foundation for turning our dreams into visuals that inspires us every single day. First things first, gather your supplies. Here's what you will need: a poster board or a vision board. Now, this is as your canvas. This is where your dreams will take shape. I like a pin-up board that you can get from Amazon. Next, magazines. These are like treasure troves of inspiration. Look at images, words, and quotes that resonate with your goals and dreams. Then, of course, you need scissors. Then you, of course, need glue or tape or board pins, right? So like if you're using a pin-up board, board pins are good enough. That's what I've used. Markers for additional personal touches, doodle or handwriting, or any stickers or some Canva design. So in my vision board, I've done a lot of stuff, like took out those pictures, designed something on Canva, and used it to put it, in fact, on my vision board. Now, of course, for inspiration, you'll be needing some magazines, online resources, like the internet is goldmine for high quality images and quotes. So Google Images, Pinterest, Instagram can be your best friends. And I've used some of these quotes. I've used Canva for my own personal things. Also, you will need personal photos. Don't forget about your own photos and memories. They can be incredibly powerful reminders of your journey. Next, try to get some quotes and affirmations. Think of the words that resonate with you or your goals, and search for some famous quotes that inspire you. All those things will give you a momentum. So, creating a vision board is a bit like crafting your dreams into reality. So it deserves full attention. Find a quite comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. Set aside a chunk of time, maybe an hour or two, to really immerse yourself in the process. I love that. Turn on some inspiring music, like light up a scented candle if you like that. Just make it a whole comfortable space to create your vision board. Okay, now that you've got your material ready, it's time to dive into the heart of a vision board: setting clear goals. Let's talk briefly about the significance of specific and achievable goals. Why do we need to set specific and achievable goals? Well, it's like planning a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in your car and drive aimlessly, right? You'll pick a destination, plan the route, and make sure that you have enough gas to get there. Goals work the same way. So your goals need to be clear. The more specific they are, easier it is for you to visualize and work towards them. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to graduate with honors and become a successful pediatrician or become a successful entrepreneur. The next step is that your goals should challenge you or rather scare you. Now, I have heard a lot of people saying don't set unrealistic goals because that can be discouraging. For example, if you are starting from scratch in a sport, it might be unrealistic to aim for Olympics right away. But that's the thing. If you truly want to win an Olympics medal, or if you dream to win the biggest award of your acting, go for it. Have it on your vision board. There is nothing unrealistic on your vision board. Think big and put it on your vision board. That's so important. Okay, let me give you examples of different types of goals. Goals come in all shapes and sizes, and they cover various aspects of our lives. Now, here are some examples to get you creative juices flowing. First is academic goals. If you're a student, think about your academic goals. These relate to your education. It could be getting straight A's, graduating with specific degree, getting into a specific college, or passing challenging exam. Anything will classify as academic. Personal goals. Now, these are about self-improvement and personal development. Think about goals like becoming more confident, learning new skill, or improving your physical health. Yes, health goals are super important, so make sure that you have those. Next is your extracurricular goals or hobbies goals. Now, these pertain to your hobbies and interests outside of your school or your work. It might be winning a sport competition, starting a club, volunteering for a cause you're passionate about, or speaking in front of the whole class or a whole office, and even preparing for anything that you want to have. Next, career goals. Now, these focus on your future profession. You might want to become a teacher, an engineer, a chef. Your vision board can help you visualize the path towards your dream career. This is very important. And I still remember on one of my workshops, my students created a goal that she wanted to become the best data scientist. And she's absolutely on her way to become that. Next, you should work on short-term and long-term goals. Now, goals come from various timelines, and it's essential to think about in short-term and long-term aspirations. Short-term goals are basically things you want to achieve in the near future, like acing your next exam or getting in shape or for an upcoming event or doing some promotion in your work. Your long-term goals, now these are your big audacious dreams that might take years to accomplish. Think about where you want to be in 5, 10, or even 15 years. It could be owning your own business, traveling the world, or making a significant impact in society. Shoot for the moon and think big about your life. Remember, the beauty of vision boards is that they allow you to see all your goals in one place, making it easier to stay motivated and focused on what truly matters to you. So get ready to set those amazing goals and let's bring them to life on your vision board. Now that you have got your goals set, let's turn our attention to fun part, finding inspiration. Start by thinking about your goals. What images, quotes, or words come to your mind when you picture your success? Make a list of keywords related to your aspirations. Like for me, it's like dream, believe, achieve. Use search engine, websites, social media platforms to find visuals that resonate with your goals. For example, if you dream of becoming an entrepreneur, look for images of startups, life of top entrepreneurs, and inspirational quotes related to the field. Remember, your vision board is like a daily dose of motivation. Choose visuals that genuinely make your heart race with excitement. If it doesn't inspire you, it doesn't belong on your board. Ensure that your chosen images and words align with your values and aspirations. They should reflect who you are and where you want to go. As I've said, for me, it's dream, believe, and achieve. And that's my vision board here right up here. Gather your inspirational materials from various sources. Well, you can take out images and from magazines, print out pictures from the internet, or even create your graphics using Canva or some other artistic software. Be resourceful and creative. If you can't find something in the magazine, consider drawing it using online design tools, as I've just told you. Once you have your inspirational material in hand, it's time to bring your vision to life on your board. Lay out your vision board in front of you and start arranging your material. This is where your goals take shape. Experiment with different layouts until you find one that resonates with you. Now, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about what feels right to you. Once you're happy with the arrangement, start gluing, taping, or pinning up your material onto the board. Well, as I've told you, I use a pin-up board and I pin my material on the board. It makes it easier for me. Well, while you can let your creativity flow freely, having some organization can make your vision board more effective. Like group similar goals or themes together. Consider using headings or labels to clarify the purpose of each section on your board. This will make it easier to connect with your goals. So this is how I did in my very first vision board, and I divided into different sections like health, wealth, well-being, impact. So make sure this is your vision board. So let your personality shine through. And personal pictures, doodles, handwritten notes are also important. Don't be afraid to get artisty. Love what you do. Paint your images, paint your dreams on your vision board. Awesome. So your vision board is taking shape. Now, these are the steps to create a vision board. So take some time after this video and create your vision board. But I have something very important for you. Let's talk about how you can use it to supercharge your journey to success. Now, these are some important tips to enhance your outcomes from the vision board. A lot of people, they create the vision board, but they're not able to realize it. So I'm going to tell you some tips. First is daily visualization and affirmation. Now, your vision board is a powerful tool for daily visualization. Spend a few minutes each day gazing at your board, absorbing the energy and motivation it radiates. Pair this with positive affirmations. Now, these are short, powerful statements that affirm your goals and dreams as already happening. For example, I am confident and I'm a successful person. Or all my goals come true. Second is incorporating into daily routine. Find a time in your daily routine to connect with your vision board. It could be in the morning to start your day with positivity or at night to set your intentions for the next day. Make this a ritual, like a cup of coffee, and let it set the tone for your day. Third is very important, power of belief and mindset. Super important. Listen carefully. Belief is the magic of your vision board. Oh, this is so important. You must believe in your vision board. It will take time for you to realize your goals, but till then, you must believe in it. It happened with me. Like from creating a vision board, it took me almost 1 to 2 years to even see small results, but I kept believing in it. In fact, my TED talk came after almost 4 years of having my vision board for delivering a TED talk. The point is, it will come true. You will just need to be patient with it. The more you visualize your goals as already achieved, the more your mind will work to make them a reality. Keep a growth mindset. Understand that setbacks and challenges are part of the journey. But your vision board can remind you of your resilience and determination. Now, your vision board isn't just a pretty collage, it's a dynamic tool to manifest your dreams and keep you focused on the path of success. So, get ready to visualize, affirm, and believe in your journey. And also, you can absolutely make changes and add new goals, everything with your vision board that you can do. Okay, so now it's your turn to start creating your vision board and turning your dreams into reality. Remember that your vision board is a reflection of your aspirations and daily source of motivation. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this video has inspired you to take action. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who can benefit from it. Now, I've also seen specifically in the vision board, a lot of people, they have a lot of dreams, but sometimes they're not able to manifest those dreams. And vision board is a way for you to manifest those dreams. And I am a dreamer. I love people to achieve their dreams. And I try my best to help as many people as possible to manifest their dreams. Vision board is one thing that has helped me a lot in my life in creating my life the way I want. And that is exactly what I want you to do through this video, to build your own life using the power of your vision board. Thank you once again for your time and attention. Keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep achieving. Dream, believe, achieve. I love you. I will see you very soon.